Hi, welcome to Chat Her YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change the time clock on your 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. First thing you want to do is press the clock button. It will take you to the time and date settings. Then press the menu button to enter the time settings, like so. Then simply turn the knob up or down to your desired time. Once you select your desired time, then simply push the button once again to confirm it. It will then move to the minute. Turn the knob up or down again to your desired time. Then once again push the button to confirm your selection. If you want to change the AM/PM settings, go back to set time and turn the knob all the way up or down until AM or PM appears. Then push the button once again to confirm. That's it. Hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to Chat Her YouTube channel. See you next time.